Hi friends, so just come to feed my feather friends. Let's see if they're there now. They've been calling out outside the house. I got a little late because I had work and all. I'll share with you, okay? I'll share with you. Yeah. Oh goodness me. My keys are falling down. My friends is coming now. I'll see what they are doing. Yeah. Hi friends, just come now. It's not hot here. I have to just see if I can get a cool place to sit. Hi friends. Hear me. My bag and all becomes a problem. Their bag, my bag. I don't know. Get really tired with all this stuff, carrying all this. Just sharing with you. Let's see if they come. I just sit here because I get tired to walk around and then shoot and stuff like that. Becomes quite a lot actually. I'll sit here. If they come here, they'll take it from me. This shade here, yeah? I'll share with you. I'll just sit here. I'll just sit here now. Let's see, they'll come. Oh, goodness me. Hi, friends. So, hi, friends. Just come to the reserve. I just came in a hurry. So, just had a bath and have come. So, now, hello, buddy. This bird is there. He's waiting for me. Let me see. Hello, buddy. I put my cap on. So, just sitting down here, got a little tired. You know, I had to carry all this stuff and all. And so I got a little tired. Hello, buddies. Wait. I got them some bread also. But because they grab everything, the soap pepper, yeah, when I grab everything, uh, they grab everything when I give the pinto and all, so I have to just wait. So I show I'm giving them and so I can give to, so I dodge the food and I give it to pinto and I give them as well for something else. So they already come, see here. Hello buddies. And here they started coming. They just see me and they all come here. They're sharing it here, okay? Okay, friends. Let's see if Pinto comes. He was outside the house now calling out. Yeah? More later. Bye, friends. Hello, hello buddies. The waterfall is there. The waterfall is nicely going. Not much water, but water is there. There is waterfall. You know, the trees are growing and hiding it. I have to go and make cake for Christmas. I don't get time. I'll do now. Doesn't take me time. I have to apply myself. Yeah? More later. I will share with you, okay? My Christmas cake. Bye, friends. You can hear Pinto is coming. He's calling on. Hello. Hello, Pinto. They come. They were at home next to my house. So it took a while for them to fly. I came faster in the car. So they took a while. I raced them actually. They were calling her. I had gone to put the second fan on for the birds. So so that's why he saw. Then he was waiting. There he's come. Full speed. See? Hello, that's the John or the Pinto. Pinto, come. That's Pinto boys come. See friends, see here he's come. Hello Pinto, come my darling, come. Pinto's come. Yeah, Pinto's come. Pinto, come. Pinto. There Pinto's come next to me. Hello my darling. See Pinto boy. There Pinto. There Pinto. Take Pinto. Huh? Huh? The babies are calling out. Pinto boy. It's a Pinto boy. Hey, my Pinto, Pinto. Where's the Pintu boy? The Pintu boy, take Pintu. She's eating from my hand. Take Pintu. Wait. Wait. Don't take that. Put outside. Take Pintu. These babies are calling out. Pintu! My mouth is full. The baby is gone to eat. See the babies? Friends, just sharing you to come here. Here's Pintu and the babies are there. See on the top, these are eating. See on the top there. So these birds are all coming here. See these birds? You are allowing them to eat. So they're chasing them away. So just give them. I can give. It's becoming difficult for me to do. Where did I get it? Pintu! The birds are taking everything. Arey! God! It's falling from my hand. I don't have a place to keep all this. So it becomes very... My friend just going back now because I finished actually. Quite a tedious thing because the other birds are coming and grabbing and my stuff is all falling from my hand. That and see all my things are falling down. I got my cards and this and that. Everything is falling down here. So I'll just go now. Just go now. But I'm tired today to do all this. I don't know. Myself and this and that. Yeah, just sharing it with you friends. See the amount of birds that's coming and troubling me also. I'm feeling them. They are grabbing all the food. So these birds all the way I'm doing them. So it becomes quite a tedious thing to do this. I wish the birds have become big and then I can just do it fast and go. Because I cannot give them the food if these birds are keeping on grabbing. I cannot keep on bringing so much of stuff, you know, and store it also. Just sharing with your friends, just got tired today. I have to drive quite a bit distance to come and do all this, feed them. I have got a lot of work, okay? Sharing with you friends. I just come because, you know, they are waiting for me. So at least give them something. My cards and all are falling from my purse. So just be careful. Okay friends, bye for now. I'll go now. Yeah? And mad guys who driving the bike so badly, fast. Keeps on driving at speed. Yeah? More later. Bye friends. Take care.